Hi everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am thrilled to be back with, you guys know her, Amara of David Weekley Homes, and she has a quick move-in for you today here at Seabrook Village in the beautiful Seabrook collection. So thanks for having us, Amara.
We're so happy to be here. Thank you for having us. It's a cold day in Nocatee, everybody, but this home is going to give you all the warm and fuzzies. This is 319 Sienna Palm Drive. This is our Odyssey plan. It's one of only 2 in Seabrook Village.
Okay guys, you heard that. So if you want to be in Nocatee for spring, get your kids enrolled in school, or you just want to move here for all the great activities that Nocatee offers, this is only one of 2. And when these homes sell out, guys, this is your last opportunities to be in Nocatee. The Seabrook collection is a beautiful collection of homes that David Weekley has many beautiful quick move-ins to choose from, but this quick move-in, guys, great floor plan. And one of the things Amara shared with me, you told me so many of your customers are asking for what?
They're asking for rear entry it's
And this one gives you that.
Now what you're seeing here is the dedicated study area. This would make a fantastic office. It's very versatile. It could be a playroom, it could be a lounge space, and you've got those signature David Weekley windows at the front that bring in lots of natural light. You also have those French doors, so you are able to close off this space if you need or want to.
And guess what? You don't have to use this as an office, because as this video progresses, you're going to see an amazing space on the second floor. So I like that you said playroom. So if you are a family with young kids moving here, you could have those 2 bedrooms in the front, and that could be the playroom where you close off the doors. Of course, like you can see through them though, because they're glass.
Absolutely.
But yet you're not hearing them. Look at this beautiful kitchen.
Now this kitchen is a stunner. We went all out for this one. You'll see some design options that we hand selected that we normally don't put in our quick move-ins, like these gorgeous stacked uppers. This is a gourmet kitchen, so you do have the designer vent hood and the wall microwave and oven and some custom cabinetry.
I mean, look, rounded corners, so beautiful to the quartz countertop, but just a lot of attention to detail. I want to just show, I love these. This is for pans. This is, well, at least what I use it for.
Right.
Putting your pans in there. The deep drawer.
Beautiful and functional. And I'd also like to point out that the kitchen is kind of the focal point here, and you'll see a little bit later in the video just how open this home is. This home is just shy of 2,400 square feet, and it's got 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and that dedicated flex space.
3 full bathrooms.
That's right,
too.
3 full baths.
I want to make sure we say that, 3 full bathrooms. And Seabrook Village is a gas community, so if you do prefer gas, this is where you want to be. And look at the beautiful back patio. I love there's plenty of space to put a table, sitting area.
That's right. This lanai is just calling for some furniture. You can make it all your own. You could do an outdoor kitchen space, a grill. But what I think is even better about this is the proximity to Seabrook Park.
Okay, I like that Amara mentioned Seabrook Park. If you are a resident of Seabrook Village, you really are the #1 in Seabrook collection. I said it, guys, you heard it here. It's because you are within walking distance to Seabrook Park. Seabrook Park really is a magnificent pool. It's over 7,000 square feet. It has sun shelves. It has a beautiful, huge play area with the great play sets. Wait till you see it. The playground is outstanding. They did a great job. And one of the largest dog parks for our medium to large size dogs in all of Nocatee. Nocatee does have 10 dog parks. So I want to mention all that because if you buy this home, and again, if you have small children, they can go play at Seabrook Park. They're not having to play in your front yard. I'm just gonna say it now. My husband always hated when our son would play in the yard because he would ruin the grass. Well, guess what, guys? They're gonna be playing at Seabrook Park. And you can watch the video on Nocatee.com under the Walkthrough Wednesday channel. And we've come through the primary bedroom, but look at this bathroom. Tile to the ceiling.
That's right, just another luxury upgrade of this home. And you'll see this is our David Weekley signature super shower. So not only do you have that beautiful tile work, you have all that space as well.
And the frameless glass. You know, I just love the blue curling. I think you did get that with the double sinks, but I love the light blue cabinets. And then we're going into, you guys know it, it's one of my favorite places. I love a good closet.
Who doesn't?
David Weekley's put some racks in here just to give you an idea of space. But of course, you can make this your own with the height of the ceiling in here. There's so much you can do. But what's behind that door, Carly?
Yeah, this closet has another feature that's special, and it leads to the utility room.
Okay, guys. Thank you, David Weekley Homes. I love that the laundry room is right off the primary bedroom. Great location, so I can just throw all my stuff in there, do my laundry, not talk to people out in the living room.
No more excuses not to do your laundry.
Yeah, no more excuses. But wait, there's more. There's more. Where are we going now? Okay.
You're not seeing double. We are back in the kitchen.
So basically, we've done a huge circle, but also with this laundry room, and again, when you make an appointment with Amara, you're gonna see what I'm talking about in person, but with the height of the ceiling in that laundry room, the amount of storage, so when you're entertaining, you can also use it as storage for the entertaining stuff, you know, your party stuff, not just a laundry room. So I do love the layout of this David Weekley home. And also all of the lighting that they chose. So Amara talked about the upgrades and how they really put a lot of thought into this, but the David Weekley design team. And by the way, the David Weekley Design Center, as a reminder, is located on the Nocatee property.
We're local.
Okay, wait, Carling.
You don't want to miss this.
More storage.
Anywhere we can sneak in a little bit of storage, we will. So we converted this under the stair area into all designated storage, and it just keeps going.
Okay, thank you for putting a light in here. So love that. And then a little shelf. That's actually the cutest thing I've ever seen. But tons and tons of storage. And wait till we get up the stairs. By the way, beautiful stairs as we're going up. I love the color of the floors.
Yes, this is luxury vinyl, all luxury vinyl throughout the main areas, including the stairs. And this bonus room is a special feature of this home. It's not doesn't traditionally come with this layout, but we decided to add it in for this particular home at 319 Sienna Palm Drive. And it's very special. You'll see why in a moment.
Okay, guys, this space is giant. I wish we actually had a measuring tape to let you know the length of this. And the reason I said if you don't need to use that front room downstairs as an office, because you could really be up here and this space could be split in half. At one end, basically like say down here, you could do a study area for your kids, an office for you, or both partners of the home having their office. But this giant space, this could be your entertaining space, your television. You could have a pool table, you could have couches. I mean, it's endless, but it's basically 2 rooms in one.
Yes, this area takes this home to the next level. And you also have the full bath up here as well. So you're not having to go downstairs.
I love that. And again, we always just trying to mention, because with different viewers, different people, life stages are watching these videos. But if you don't need it, again, as office, things like that, that's not a part of your life. What a great space for kids when they have their friends' sleepovers. They're all upstairs.
Yes. This is a home that you can grow into because you can use this space in so many different ways.
And you're just seeing different doors. And Carling, I just want to give a quick example.
There's surprises around every corner.
Do you mind peeking in here? So you're like, oh, why are you showing me the air handler? Well, because of the amount of storage. In my home, this is where actually I put my luggage. So, but you could put luggage, you could put your holiday, you know, your ornaments,
your Christmas
whatever.
tree,
I mean,
absolutely.
whatever. I mean, but there's a lot of space in that giant room. So I want to remind people to go to Nocatee.com, type in quick move-in. You will see this particular floor plan, pricing, also all that David Weekley Homes has to offer in Seabrook Village, reflections. It's endless, crosswinds. Yep. I mean, we're so happy that David Weekley is a part of the Nocatee family.
And we're happy to be here.
Amara, call her today for this beautiful quick move-in here at Seabrook Village. Thanks for watching.
Bye.